Kapwing Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Kapwing Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll go over how the program works, who it's best suited for, and how you can earn commissions by promoting one of the most user-friendly online video and image editing platforms. If you're interested, check out the links in the description. Kapwing is a browser-based content creation platform designed for creators, marketers, educators, and businesses that need an easy-to-use tool for making videos, memes, GIFs, and social media content. Unlike traditional editing software, Kapwing doesn't require downloads or high-end hardware. It runs entirely online. It offers features like automatic subtitles, video trimming, background removal, AI-powered tools, and team collaboration, making it a go-to solution for quick and professional content creation. The Kapwing Affiliate Program allows bloggers, YouTubers, and digital marketers to earn commissions by referring new customers. Affiliates get a recurring 15% commission for every user who signs up for a paid plan through their referral link. This means you don't just earn on the first purchase, but continue to receive passive income as long as the referred customer keeps their subscription. The cookie duration is 30 days, meaning you'll still get credit if someone clicks your link and subscribes within a month. Kapwing is especially popular among social media influencers, small businesses, educators, and content creators who need an intuitive editing tool without the complexity of advanced software like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut. Since Kapwing offers a free version, it's easier to convert users into paying customers once they realize the value of the premium features. To effectively promote Kapwing, you can create YouTube tutorials, blog reviews, or social media posts, demonstrating how easy it is to edit videos and images with their tools. Showcasing how Kapwing simplifies content creation can drive more conversions and increase your affiliate earnings. Overall, the Kapwing Affiliate Program is a solid choice for anyone looking to promote an accessible, high-quality content editing tool while earning recurring commissions. If you want to get started, check out the link in the description and sign up today. Thanks for watching.